Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the SHISHI makeup kit, a 20-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look all in one amazing package, perfect for women and girls who want affordable quality. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and practical, making it a fab gift or travel buddy. Inside we've got 5 pink makeup brushes. They're soft, adorable, and perfect for applying everything smoothly. I used the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. No shedding and they blend like a dream. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got 24 shades from mattes to shimmers, plus 3 blushers and 2 compacts. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent, a bit powdery but buildable for everyday or bold looks. The 3-in-1 eye combo is a gem. Eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. I tried it and the black is intense, making my eyes pop instantly. The 36H eyeliner is sharp and waterproof. I drew a wing and it stayed put all day. The kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it didn't smudge. Love that staying power. Then the 5-in-1 lipstick. 5 gorgeous shades in one palette. I wore the red and it's creamy and long-lasting, so versatile. The foundation blends out with good coverage. I used one of the 3 makeup puffs and it's lightweight yet effective. The primer smooths my skin, the contour stick sculpts my cheeks, and the compact sets everything matte. The fixer spray locks it all in. I tested it and my look stayed fresh and waterproof. This kit is a steal for beginners or anyone wanting an all-in-one. It's not luxury, but for the price it's amazing. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.